The problem is to remove the nth node from the end of a linked list. We have nodes 1 through 5 with n equals 2. So we need to delete the second node from the end, which is 4, and the result should be 1, 2, 3, 5. The obvious approach is two passes. A first pass to count the total length, then a second pass to walk to the right spot and splice the node out. In the first pass, we walk a pointer through the whole list, bumping a counter at each step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the total length is 5. Now the target length minus n is 3, but we count from 0. So index 3 is actually the fourth node which holds 4, and that's what we are removing. So we reset cur to head and walk 2 steps to land on node 3, the predecessor. Then we splice by setting cur.next to cur.next.next. So 4 gets bypassed and we are done. But that was 2 passes. So can we do it in just one? Here's the 2-pointer trick. We start by adding a dummy node in front of head, and that one small detail is going to matter a lot when we hit edge cases. Now 2 pointers, fast and slow, both starting at dummy. We move fast forward by n plus 1 steps, and with n equals 2, fast advances 3 times and lands on node 3. Here's where the magic happens. We move fast and slow together, one step at a time, and they maintain that exact gap of n plus 1 between them the entire way. When fast falls off the n and becomes null, slow is sitting right before the node we want to remove. Exactly the predecessor every single time. It's a single line. Slow.next equals slow.next.next. 4 is bypassed, we return dummy.next, and we're done in one pass with no counting at all. Now let me show you why that dummy node matters. What if n equals 5? We're removing the head itself, node 1. Fast advances 6 steps, walks right through every node and lands on null, while slow never moves and stays at dummy. Slow dot, next just skips past the old head. No null checks, no special cases needed, because the dummy node absorbs what would otherwise be a crash. Both versions are O of n time and O of 1 space, but the 2-pointer version does it in a single pass with no length counting, which makes it the cleaner and more elegant solution. If this 2-pointer trick clicked for you, smash that subscribe because more LeetCode patterns are on the way.